Many veteran families think choosing hospice means every other medical service has to stop. For many veterans, that's simply not true. In fact, VA benefits may allow some veterans to receive hospice care while continuing to receive certain other medical services. Today, because it's Independence Day weekend, I want to explain how VA hospice benefits work and why they can be different from Medicare hospice. Hi, my name is Rupal. I'm a registered nurse with experience in hospice and palliative care, and I help families understand care options during serious illnesses. Today's episode is a special July 4th release for veterans and their families. Welcome back. If you have watched my channel before, you know we spend a lot of time helping families understand hospice and palliative care. But today is a special episode dedicated to the men and women who have served our country. Before we begin, there is one important thing to understand. Not every veteran receives exactly the same VA benefits. Your benefits depend on your individual eligibility and military service history. That's why every veteran should have a VA case manager who understands exactly what benefits are available. If you don't have one, ask for one. They can explain what services are available to you and your family. One question I hear often is, if I choose hospice through the VA, can I still receive other medical care? In many situations, yes. That's one of the biggest differences between the VA hospice benefits and traditional Medicare hospice benefits. Hospice care is covered for veterans enrolled in VA healthcare who have a clinical need for hospice. There are no copays when hospice is provided by a VA or through a VA-approved hospice provider. Another important difference is something called concurrent care. With traditional Medicare hospice, choosing hospice usually means stopping the treatments that are still trying to cure the terminal illness. The VA can sometimes allow hospice care while certain treatments continue if the VA determines they are still appropriate. Every veteran's situation is different. That's why your VA care team is so important. Even while receiving hospice, many veterans may continue to receive other VA services, including primary care, mental health care, home health services, medical equipment and supplies, medications that are not covered under hospice care. Hospice itself also provides pain and symptom management, nursing care, physician oversight, social worker services, spiritual care if desired, family counseling, bereavement support after death. Many veterans qualify for both Medicare and VA healthcare. One important decision is determining which program should provide hospice services. The answer isn't the same for everyone. Your VA team can explain how each option affects the services available to you. I will also share what I would personally consider. This is not a medical advice. Again, every situation is different. But if I personally had both Medicare and VA benefits available for myself or someone I loved, I would likely choose Medicare to provide hospice care, while continuing to use VA benefits for other covered medical services that are otherwise not available under traditional Medicare while on hospice. So depending on the situation, that may allow additional home care visits and more overall support for both the patient and the family. More support for the patient often means less stress for the family and the caregiver. Again, every situation is different, so make this decision together with your VA care team. If today's video helped you better understand VA benefits, the hospice benefits and specifically, please like this video and subscribe for more caregiver education. If you know a veteran or veteran family, please share this episode with them. I will also include the official VA information page in the description below. If your family needs help understanding hospice, palliative care, or preparing for difficult healthcare decisions, I also offer one-on-one care navigation consultations through nurserupal.com. And finally, to every veteran watching, thank you for your service. Happy Independence Day. Stay safe.